Okay, you're welcome back to the tutorial on Pymol. In our previous video, this is where we stopped. Okay, we've been able to select or define our polar interaction region. Okay, and also our ligand. So what do I do now? I will have to bring back my entire protein and do my further, functions here, perform further functions here. Okay, I'll simply do that by going to my protein now. This is the 2-ACE protein. Okay, I'll simply go to the show. Okay, and I will say show what surface. Okay, you can show every other thing. If you want to return to cartoon, ribbon, and the rest, you can show here. But me, I want to generate, my task here is to generate the surface view, or the 3D view of my protein and ligand interaction here. Okay, so simply I'll go to my surface. All these are different views you can generate. Okay, I'll simply click on surface. Okay, and once I click on surface, it has generated my surface. Okay, I'll simply go to zoom back or zoom to visible. Okay, this is it. Okay, but you may not see my ligand because of my selection. Okay, let me go to, I'll undo this. Okay, I'll undo this action. Okay, or rather, let me simply go to my ligand, because my ligand has been put in surface view also. Okay, my ligand is there. I selected properly. Okay, can you see my ligand here? Okay, don't worry, you won't see it properly like this. Okay, let me color it better so that you can quickly visualize that. Okay, look at my ligand. Okay, this is the entire protein. As you can see, by default, this software will color the different, chains of this particular protein with different color. That's what you're seeing. Okay, but I can simply change this to a particular color. This is the protein. I'll go to the line and go to color, which is C, and I'll change it to, okay, I like magenta. Let me change it to magenta. Okay, this is what I have now. Okay, you can now see the ligand in there. Okay, that's the ligand or the substrate of this particular protein. You can see how it's located inside the active site of this particular protein. Okay, how do I now define these polar regions? I'll simply go to my polar interaction and go to color and change it to a different color. I'll change it to light blue. Okay, so that it will be visible. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that I've changed this particular polar interaction to light blue, and I can now see the difference from the rest of the protein here. Okay, the ligand now, I still need to change it to something else. Okay, that green is not too visible, so let me change it to red. Since it's in a white background, I'll change it to to red. Okay, can you see that now? Can you see that now? See the ligand there, see the polar interaction, and see the rest of the protein. So with this, I have been able to generate my surface view of my docked result. Okay, showing my ligand and my protein and the polar regions and the whole interaction. Okay, this is how we can generate our 2D, our 3D or surface view of our protein interaction. If I keep hitting on this next button, okay, if I keep hitting on this next button, can you see how the different conformations of the protein, of the ligand in the protein is? Okay, can you see them? As I keep clicking, it will be reading until it gets to 9/9, telling you it has been completed. If I click back, it will start going back to 1. Can you see how the interaction is going? Can you see the different conformations? Okay, then sometimes, let me now show us. If you look closely to this, you will see something like a yellow, a yellow bonds you can see. Okay, can you see this? I'm pointing. These are the bonds. Okay, the interaction, usually the hydrogen bond interaction, with our strong bonds. Okay, so when you see this in an annotation, those particular amino acids that didn't pick or select, as you can see, these are them. Okay, that's why they couldn't change in color. Okay, but I'm showing us that this yellow color simply indicates the interaction that exists. Okay, the different bondings in the active site. You can see them from here. Okay, you can easily see that through that. Okay, so this is what I have after generating my surface view of the protein and ligand interaction. Okay, in our next video, I'm going to be showing us how you can easily or quickly export your just visualize the result or your work after you have finished what you want to do with it. See you in the next video. Thank you.